Today we are going to talk about Shaheen, the Desert Falcon. He is a unique character in Tekken because he is the only character who has charged move uh, as opposed to any other Tekken character. So Street Fighter have charge character, but this is the first charge character in Tekken. So what happens is his charged move gains a special property of guard break during heat, so he becomes more fearsome in heat. He's a very solid poking character, and he's quite safe. He has got safe launcher down in form of down forward to 15 frame, which is -7. So what happens is, if you want to sidestep him, mostly you would like to sidestep him towards the right, because his up forward 4, his hop kick, 15 frame hop kick, is weak towards that, and up forward 4, this is that, and down forward 2, his basically his safe keep out move down forward 2 is also weak towards the right, and back 1, which is a heat engager, which is safe heat engager, it's also quite linear, and it's easily steppable towards the right. Then up forward 3, his orbital and his jab punishes 1 2, they all are weak towards right. Then a few moves like forward 3 is weak towards side step left, you would like to side step left forward 3, and his power crusher, you would like to power crush, use this side step left power crusher, and you would like to sidewalk a few move like down forward 1, side step 2, down 4. It's difficult to sidewalk left, but still stepped in both ways. Few moves of Shaheen can be stepped in both ways, like down forward 4 and 4 back 3, down back 2, one of his whiff finishers, down back 3, and up forward 1. So but often once you sidewalk successfully, you might have to side step. After side step, you might have to walk, because you would have like to avoid extensions also. Oftentimes this situation will come. In Tekken 8, you will have to deal with character and his heat. So now we are going to discuss about Shaheen and his heat, which is very dangerous. And one of the reason is all of the heat engagers are more or less safe, and he also has got some gimmicks there in heat, that is guard break. Let's discuss. His one of the heat engager is up forward 1, where Shaheen jumps from a great distance and engages his heat. It's a low crushing move. Shaheen can also cancel it and use it in okizeme purposes. Then he has got another safe move, back 1, which is safe mid heat engager, and then he also have got a power crush move, that is heat engager, and that is back 3+4, which is a high. Then he has got down back 2-1, which is very useful in punish situation, and also it is safe because it's -11 and gives a big pushback. Then he has got sneak 1+2, that is heat engager from stance, and it is also a pressure move because it gives +2 on block. So what happens is, when Shaheen engages his heat powers are his while running 2 and up forward 1 are powered up, and it gives more chip damage. And a special move forward back 2, it comes always in just frame in heat, that is in I13 in heat. So this is a move that is called a gray health eater, and it eats away all the gray health. So this is one of the advantage he gets, and then he can charge his up to by pressing down for a moment, and then he can press up to, and it gives more chip damage, it gives guard break, and it's launcher on normal hit. So as far as his heat smash is concerned, he also have got 2 heat smashes. One is 16 frame mid, and the other, which gives +6 on block, and the other is a 20 frame low, which is comes from his special stance, that is sneak stance, that is a stealth step. So it's around minus 49 on block, I think. And let's see. So now we are going to talk about the stance of Shaheen. He has got stealth step, that is sneak stance. So first of all, we'll see what are the moves that transition into stealth step. One is his mid heat smash, that gives +6 and stealth step. Then the second is forward 3 plus 4, it gives +11 on hit and +3 on block. Then there are 3 moves, 3 2 3 or 1 2 3. They all give +10 on hit and -1 on block. Then you have got down forward 4 1, that gives +9 on hit and -2 on block. And then we have got down back 2, that gives +8 on hit and -3 on block. Then we have got some lows. Down 3 gives +4 on hit and -10 on block. Full crouch down forward 4 gives +4 on hit and -11 on block. And while standing 3 will give +4 on hit and -7 on block. And forward 2 4 gives 0 on hit and -11 on block. So these are the stances transition. Now what are the moves in which comes in the transition? We can have a look very quickly, and then we'll talk about stand block punishment.
رويتك الآن عليك البقاء أرضا رويتك الآن عليك البقاء أرضا.
Now we are coming to punishing Shaheen. So we'll discuss from the most punishable move to least punishable moves. So first of all, it's steel pedal. His steel pedal is -15 and it has a pushback. So you need to be cautious and you need to design your punish accordingly. Then his famous while standing 2, which is a very long range move. It's -17. You need to punish this with a launch. Then his sneak heat smash, that is a low. It's -14. So you need to punish that. Then few of his moves are -13. Few strings are 1 2 4 4 4, down forward 4 1 3, down back 3 4, down back 4, and his hop kick up forward 4, up forward neutral 4, and his famous while standing 3 3. These are -13. Then -12 moves, forward 2 3, forward 3, sneak 3, and his generic up 2. That is when he will try to charge his move, and that charge move he will try to put that and do that, and sometimes he will fail and his generic up 2 will come out. So you have to punish that also. That is -12. Then -11 to -10, 1 to 2 is -11, down back 2 1 is -11 with a lot of pushback, so it's practically unpunishable. While standing 3 is -11. So hope you will be able to punish Shaheen accordingly. Now coming to string handling, you must know the 10 hit string of Shaheen, where his 7th hit is a low, where after 4-1 he does 3 kicks and the last one of the kick is a low. So you must parry that. Next one is down forward 4-1 or down forward 4-3. You know down forward 4-1 jail, so you can always duck for down forward 4-3, and especially near the walls they will try to find a wall splat, so it's more relevant there. 1 2 3 is a real mix, and you will have to differentiate between others like I have shown here. Then after that comes 2 3 and 2 1, 2 1 jails, so you can duck 2 3 easily, you can see here. Then comes his 4 1, and there is 4 4 and 4 3, but you can fuzzy duck after 4, but it's very hard to do though. So now forward to 4 4, this is also after high, it's a low, and he can transition into sneak stance after that, so you need to parry this one. Then comes down back 2 1, it's his heat engager. Then comes full crouch down forward 4 1, it starts with a low and high, you can also duck this. And then comes sneak down forward 1 2, which is a mix, but you can be you can do a fuzzy after down forward 1, which is a 7 frame fuzzy. Now we'll talk about Shaheen's pressure moves, that is plus on block moves. His while running 2 gives whooping plus 5 or 6 on block. Then his back 3 gives plus 3 on block and puts you in crouch. Again sneak 1 plus 2 gives plus 2 on block and puts you in crouch. And his charge move down up 2 gives plus 2 and plus 14 and a wall crush near the walls. Up forward 1 gives plus 1 on block, and back 1 gives plus 0 but puts you in crouch.